I ain't even taking on tour, so what?
Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is September 9th, 2019. Shout out to Joy out there on YouTube for the song request. Jaden Icon. Never heard this joint, but this young guy is spitting fire. I think this is Will Smith's son, so I'm very impressed, man. This guy got bars. Thank you for the song request, Joy, and welcome to another episode. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we are going to be looking at some suspicious stuff going on. Two things in the game. Ripple, they're sending 100 million XRP over to the co-founder of Ripple. This has been going on for a while. They've been liquidating these coins. If you haven't realized the writing on the wall as far as why a company would be selling their own coins, other than they're not confident in their own coin, similar to with stocks. You know, if you have the C-suite members of a particular company selling coins at the pace that Ripple is, you should be very concerned. So we're going to take a look at this well alert, and we'll take a look at a tweet from a guy on Twitter. I guess he's a XRP fan. He's like, when are we going to see a bailout, not a moon of XRP? Not sure what he means by that, but again, we'll take a look at all of that. The second article is out of Cointelegraph. Bitmex crypto exchange CEO steps down. It's a little suspicious to me as well. We'll take a look at the details. We got my man Arthur Hayes on the run like Noriega. I don't know where he is. He's in the middle of the jungle, sitting in pictures. I don't know what's going on over there. A little suspicious for sure. So we'll take a look at why this COO stepped down from Bitmex. Interesting. Lastly, out of Cointelegraph as well, Tim Draper joins board of directors at EOS-based Dapp firm. This is big news. He joins the Dapp firm Make Sense Labs. We'll take a look at the details on that. You know, it's funny. People are so blinded by all the FUD with EOS. They don't even realize small stuff like the fact that the wallets can be a regular naming convention. Like, I can have Tim Draper as a wallet address, and it's not going to be all these alphanumeric uppercase, lowercase characters that very hard for real world individuals to deal with. If we want to see mass adoption of a blockchain, the naming conventions of the wallet addresses have to be something like what we see with EOS and others as well. But it's just small stuff like that, you know, not to mention all the other things. Zero fees on transactions, faster than, I mean, you get transactions on the EOS blockchain within seconds, 15 seconds, 12 seconds, no fee. So you can't beat that. But we'll take a look at this in a second though. But first, shout out to Moon Lambo. Check them out, guys. If you want to save 10% on anything they have on their site, you can use CryptoBlood10 for that promo code and you will save 10%. Also, we got BitcoinConfidential.cc, a privacy coin. Check those guys out. You can secure your keys offline while staking. That's a very neat feature that they have. So maybe take a look at that. But on to the heat map for today. We got Bitcoin down 1.3% to $10,258. Ethereum is up slightly to $180.77. EOS up 5.3%, up almost to $4 at $3.90. So that's making a nice wave, probably off of that Draper news. Litecoin up just 0.5% to $69.93. As far as the technicals for Bitcoin, not looking good, guys. We got above that trend line, but if I zoom in closely, you will see we tipped right at the back side of that. We broke down and we tried to get back above this line, but failed. So at this point, we're kind of indecisive. I mean, there's a lot of whiplashing going on. As you can see with that long wick on this candle here, the green candle, it tried very hard, but failed. But I have to say, because we failed, we broke above it, stayed up there for maybe 6 or 7 hours, but broke back down and attempted to get back above there. That's not a good sign to me. I think at this point we actually may head lower to the 94 area. That's the bottom range of this channel that we're in. So we'll have to maybe gather ourselves. Bulls have to get themselves together and try again at a future date. But it's not looking too good right now with us moving higher from here. I think we may actually end up heading lower because we broke that trend. First article though, out of Cointelegraph, we've got reports that Bitmex crypto exchange COO steps down. It says the chief operating officer at digital currency exchange Bitmex has reportedly stepped down. A spokesperson familiar with the matter told industry-focused media outlet The Block said that we can confirm that Angelina Kwan is leaving the company and is on gardening leave now. That's all we can say on the matter at the moment, but we wish Angelina all the best. Kwan, who previously covered enforcement and market supervision as part of her role as director of Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission, joined Bitmex last October. She also served as managing director and head of regulatory compliance for Hong Kong exchanges and clearing for almost 3 years prior to accepting the Bitmex post. At the time, Kwan said that she believes an absence of robust regulation creates a lack of confidence among investors who might otherwise trade on cryptocurrency exchanges. At publishing time, Bitmex is the largest cryptocurrency exchange by reported 24-hour trading volume, which is currently more than 3.4 billion according to CoinMarketCap. So I don't know, man. That's a little fishy. I don't even know what gardening leave means. So somebody out there on YouTube, help me out. I'm not going to search it right now, but definitely let me know what that means because I'm confused. Sounds a little suspicious to me, though. Again, we've got Arthur Hayes out in the Congo somewhere. No one knows where he really is. Just seems like something may be going down over at Bitmex. You guys let me know your thoughts about that situation. Second article out of also Cointelegraph. Tim Draper joins board of directors at EOS-based Dapp firm. It says that Tim Draper, a famous investor with an estimated crypto net worth ranging between $350 million and $500 million, has joined the board of directors of EOS-based decentralized application firm Make Sense Labs. In a news release reported on September 9th, Draper said, "I'm excited to support this amazing application. Sense.chat improves human connections by allowing private, seamless messaging and payments." I'm not sure if Sense.chat is the same thing I did a review on. It looks like it is. The parent company Sensei, and this is actually owned or run or founded by Brock Pierce's wife. If you guys didn't know that. But per the release, Draper was an early investor in the parent company Sensei, and Sense.chat's chief technical officer said that we are very excited to have Tim's support and advice. He's been a massively important and pivotal role in technology and recently in the blockchain community. He's everything we want to emulate in our leadership. He's creative, supportive, and passionate. So according to his Cointelegraph People page, Draper has been included in Worth Magazine's 100 Most Powerful People in Finance list and the Forbes Midas list. And I don't know if you guys probably don't remember, but again, because I covered the company, I do remember them moving from Ethereum to EOS because it just, and still to this day, is no way you can run a chat service on Ethereum. It's just, this doesn't make any sense. So there were some other blockchain messengers, if you guys remember. Status, remember Status? That was crazy. I tried to participate in that ICO. Man, it shut down. Status actually shut down the Ethereum network when they were launching their ICO, which was crazy. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys an update on that. Let you know that Tim Draper has actually joined the board of this company here, EOS-based Dapp firm. And the last suspect situation in the blockchain game right now is with Ripple. They sent 100 million XRP tokens to Jed McCleb in another dumping incident. This is insane. The community is worried about potential negative changes in XRP price after 100 million XRP was sent to Jeb, one of the company's co-founders, from Ripple Labs wallet addresses. Ripple continues with its dumping spree despite threats received from the community members last week. In the latest, Ripple Labs wallet sent 100 million XRPs worth around 26 million at the market rate to the company's co-founder. Popular Twitter handle Well Alert was the first to report about this transfer. As you see here, as CoinSpeaker covered last week, some of the community members had already expressed displeasure of the company's habit of dumping. The company members believe that Ripple's actions are hurting the price of XRP. XRP investor Crypto Bitlord had even threatened to fork the XRP blockchain if need be. And remember, I actually covered that temper tantrum that he threw last week. It's just sad to see people not realize what the hell is going on with this situation with XRP. Very unfortunate. Anyway, it says that Ripple's token sales that are repeated every quarter has harmed the XRP ecosystem, says its investors. Moreover, this is even apparent from the price crash that XRP has seen despite other tokens heading north. Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, recently responded to a tweet asking Ripple to stay away from XRP dumping. In his reply, Schwartz said that the latest move will massively disappoint such users. Jed McCleb is currently the chief technology officer of Stellar Foundation. He was the previous CTO for Ripple Labs, but left the company in 2013 after Ripple tried to stop him from dumping his XRP. As Ripple has a reserve of over 55 billion tokens, the XRP community has recently started a petition on change.org asking the company to stop dumping them. So far, nearly 3,500 supporters have signed the petition. To calm down the matter, Ripple CEO is seen issuing statements providing an explanation of how XRP sales will help to boost the utility of the token. Nonsense. XRP sales, he says, are about helping expand XRP utility, building RippleNet, and supporting other biz building with XRP. Reality is we decrease our sales volume quarter to quarter, and since then the inflation rate of XRP circulating supply has been lower than that of Bitcoin and ETH. My God. So there you have it. Just want to give you guys an update on that. Sad situation over there. I mean, I don't know. Again, I'm not a huge follower. I'm not going to even act like I am. But did XRP do like an ICO raise? I'm not sure. Would love to know that. If so, then why are they would have received funds to do what they need to do and build out the platform, or at least it wouldn't be this precipitous. Like, they sell so many tokens, it's crazy, and they all say it's because we're trying to push awareness of XRP. I think that's nonsense. You don't really need that much money to promote XRP when you're dealing with B2B. It'd be different if this is a B2C situation where you really got to get a lot of end users, meaning like you and I, to use it. No, I thought they were going after banks, so on and so forth. B2B, other businesses. You don't need to market to them in the same way that you would a consumer to try to get a consumer to join on board. But I don't know, man. You guys let me know your thoughts on this. That's about it, though, for today. I'm fed up with all this nonsense. It's your boy Crypto Blood. Shout out to Joy out there on YouTube for that song request by Jaden called Icon. It's a fire track right here. I would have never listened to it if she hadn't requested it. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Click that bell to support this channel and to be notified about unbiased crypto news reporting by me, your boy Crypto Blood. I'm out of here, people. Holla!
I am just an icon living. I am just an icon living.